We can use should to say or ask what is correct or the best thing to do. For example, they should reduce the price of aquarium accessories. You should be ashamed of yourself. So basically, we use should to talk about what is ideal or desired. You should take the train, it's the cheapest way to get there. It's rather hot in here. Should I open the window? Where should we have dinner tonight? Sometimes we use should to show that something is likely or expected. For example, I booked a cab on Uber, it should be here soon. You should find this video helpful. We can also use should to refer to a possible event in future. For example, if anyone should ask for me, I'll be in my room. Sometimes, in formal situations, we can use should in place of if. Should you find the questions difficult to answer, please don't hesitate to refer to your textbook. Simple, right?